So if you're developing applications for the App Store in Unity, it'll want you to put in these app previews. But if you're using Unity, sometimes getting the app previews isn't very easy. Well, the screenshots, because the what's it called, simulator is not very good. Well, it's hard to use with Unity. You have to export it as a separate project, and if you're using Metal it doesn't work. It's just a pain. So I take my screenshots in Unity. There are lots of assets on the store to help you do this, but the one I downloaded didn't seem to work, so I just wrote a quick script to do it myself, and I wish I hadn't bought an asset, because the script takes it's like 2 lines of code. So this is what I do to get the screenshots. First, I go onto the scene which I want to take the screenshots from. I right click in the hierarchy and create an empty object. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it, but you want to press empty object. My empty object is called screenshots. You want to attach a script to it. Mine's already attached, but you'll want to go down to create C# script. Once that's created, just click your object and drag your script on like that. Then edit the script, and your script will already have all this. What it won't have is this little if statement. This is all you need, is the if statement and this line of code. So I'm going to put this in the description as a GitHub gist, or whatever you want to call it. But it's very simple. If, and then in brackets, input.getKeyDown, and then you want a key in here that's going to take your screenshot. Keycode.space is the space bar. You could put keycode.f1, I think. Actually, I'll leave it as space because I'm not using space for anything, because it's usually an app on a phone. And then inside your if statement, so inside your curly brackets here and here, you want screen capture dot capture screenshots, and then in brackets you want to put some quote marks and then the location on your file system that you want to save the screenshot to, and then that is it. So when you want to save the screenshot, press play in Unity, skip to the bit you want to take a picture of, make sure you're in the game tab and you're in it, and then press space, and then mine saved to the desktop, so it's taking a screenshot. Now this is kind of the important bit. These all have to be a certain resolution. So in your game screen, pick the resolution you want. So what do I need? I need an iPad Pro. So pick iPad Pro. I'm in landscape, and then press spacebar. Just taking another screenshot. This has changed, you can probably tell. Then you want to go back to your App Store, just drag it in. So the dimensions are wrong. So what's this? iPad Pro 2nd generation 12.9. iPad Pro. Yeah, I think that's probably the one, is it? Let's try it. It should be 2.7. Yeah, that's right. I picked the wrong iPad Pro. Let's try it. So let's spacebar again. It'll save over this. Let's check the resolution. That's the right dimensions for an iPad Pro. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, now it's thinking about it. It's not complaining. So it's uploading that, and that's all they do. I don't take my screenshots on in the simulator because it never seems to work with Unity. It's just a pain, and I don't own all these to do them separately on.